Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will discuss the core syllabus of the physics, chemistry, biology for the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test (NEET) for admission to the MBBS courses across the country of the India. Medical Council of the India. The Medical Council of the India, MCI, recommends the following syllabus for the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test for the admission to the MBBS courses across the country. NEET UG, after review of the various state syllabus as well as those prepared by the CBSE, NCERT, and the COPS. This is to establish a uniformity across the country, keeping in view the relevance of the different area in the medical education. Final syllabus for the NEET UG physics syllabus for the 11th class. The topics are the serial number 1, physical world and measurement. Number 2, kinematics. Number 3, law of the motion. Number 4, work energy and the power. Number 5, motion of system particle and the rigid body. Number 6, gravitation. Number 7, properties of the bulk matter. Number 8, thermodynamics. Number 9, behavior of the perfect gases and the kinetic theory. Number 10, oscillation and the waves. Physics syllabus for the class 12 is the electrostatics. Number 2, the current electricity. Number 3, magnetic effects on the current and the magnetism. Number 4, electromagnetic induction and the alternating current. Number 5, electromagnetic waves. Number 6, optics. Number 7, dual nature of the matter and the radiation. Number 8, atoms and nuclei. And number 9, electronic devices. These are the syllabus of the physics for the 11th and the 12th class. 10 topics are given in the 11th class and the 9 topics are given in the 12th class. The contents of the class 11 physics syllabus, physical world and the measurement. Details are the physics, scope and excitement, nature of the physical law, physics, technology and the society, need for the measurement, units of the measurement, system of the units, SI units, fundamental and the derived units, length, mass, time measurement, accuracy and precision of the measuring instrument, errors in the measurement, significant figures. Dimensions of the physical quantity, dimensional analysis and its application. This is the unit first of the physical world and the measurement. Unit 2 is the kinematics. In the kinematics frame of the reference, motion in a straight line, position, time, graph, speed and the velocity, uniform and the non-uniform motion, average speed and the instantaneous velocity, uniformly accelerated motion, velocity time and the position time graph. For uniformly accelerated motion, graphical treatment. Elementary concept of the differentiation and integration of the describing motion, scalar and the vector quantity, position and displacement vector, general vectors and the notation, quality of the vectors, multiplication of vectors by a real number, addition and subtraction of the vectors, relative velocity, unit vectors, resolution of a vector in a plane rectangular components, scalar and vector products of the vectors, motion in a plane, cases of the uniform velocity and the uniform acceleration, projectile motion, uniform circular motion. Unit 3, law of the motion. Institutive concept of the force, inertia, Newton's first law of the motion, momentum and the Newton's second law of the motion, impulse, Newton's third law of the motion, law of the conservation of the linear momentum and its application, equilibrium of the concurrent forces, static and the kinetic friction, laws of the friction, rolling friction, lubrication, dynamics of the uniform circular motion, centripetal force, example of the circular motion, vehicle on level circular road, vehicle on the bank road. Unit 4, work, energy and power. Work done by a constant force and the variable force. Kinetic energy, work energy theorem and the power. Motion of the potential energy of a spring. Conservative forces, conservation of the mechanical energy, kinetic and potential energy. Non-conservative forces, motion in a vertical circle, elastic and inelastic collision in the 1 and 2 dimensions. Unit 5, motion of system of particles and the rigid body. Center of mass of a 2-particle system. Momentum conservation and center of the mass of the motion. Center of a mass of a rigid body. Center of mass of a uniform road. Moment of a force, torque, angular momentum, conservation of the angular momentum with the some examples. Equilibrium of the rigid body rotation, equation of the rotational motion, compression of the linear and the rotational motion, moment of inertia, radius of the gyration, value of the moment of inertia for a simple geometric objects, no derivation, statement of the parallel and perpendicular axis theorems and their applications. Unit 6, gravitation. Kepler's law of the planetary motion, the universal law of the gravitation, acceleration due to gravity and its variation with attitude and the depth. Gravitational potential energy, gravitational potential, escape velocity, orbital velocity of a satellite, geostationary satellite. Unit 7, properties of the bulk matter, elastic behavior, stress-strain relationship, Hooke's law, Young's modulus, bulk modulus, shear modulus of rigidity, Poisson's ratio, elastic energy. Viscosity, Stokes law, terminal velocity, Reynolds number, streamline and the terminal flow. Critical velocity, Bernoulli's theorem and its application. Surface energy and surface tension, angle of the contact, axis of the pressure, application of the surface tension idea to drops, bubbles and the capillary rise. Heat, temperature, thermal expansion of the solids, liquid and the gases. Anomalous expansion, specific heat capacity, CP/Cv, calorimetry, change of the state, latent heat. Heat transfer, conduction and the thermal conductivity, convection and the radiation. Qualitative idea of the black body radiation. Wien's displacement law and the greenhouse effect. Newton's law of the cooling and the Stephan's law. Unit 8, thermodynamics. Thermal equilibrium and definition of the temperature. 0th law of the thermodynamics. Heat, work and internal energy. First law of the thermodynamics, isothermal and the adiabatic process. Second law of the thermodynamics, reversible and the irreversible process, heat engine and the refrigerators. Unit 9, behavior of the perfect gas and the kinetic energy. Equation of the state of the perfect gas, work done on a compressing a gas. kinetic theory of the gases, assumption, concept of the pressure, kinetic energy, and the temperature, degrees of the freedom, law of the equipartition of the energy statement only, and application of the specific heat capacity of the gases, concept of the mean free path. Unit 10, oscillation and the waves. Periodic motion, period, frequency, displacement as a function of the time. Periodic function, simple harmonic motion and its equation. Phase, oscillation of a spring, restoring force and the force constant. Energy in the simple harmonic motion. Kinetic and potential energy, simple pendulum, derivation of expression for its time period. Free force and the damped oscillation, qualitative ideas only. Resonance. Wave motion, longitudinal and the transverse waves, speed of the wave motion, displacement, relation for a progressive base, principle of the superposition of the waves, reflection of the waves, standing waves in string and the organ pipes, fundamental modes and the harmonics, beats and the Doppler effect. Concept of the class 12 syllabus, electrostatics, electric charges and their conservation, Coulomb's law of force between the 2-point charges, forces between the multiple charges, superposition principle and the continuous charge distribution, electric field due to the point charge, electric field lines, electric dipole due to a dipole, torque on a dipole in a uniform electric field, electric flux, statement of the Gauss's theorem and its application to find field due to the infinitely long straight wire, uniformly charged in-flight plane sheet and uniformly charged thin spherical cell, field inside and the outside, electric potential difference, electric potential due to a point charge, a dipole and system of the charges, equipotential surfaces, electrical potential energy of a system of the 2-point charges and of the electric dipoles in an electrostatic field. Conductor and insulator, free charges and the bond charges inside a conductor, dielectrics and the electric polarization, capacitors and the capacitance, combination of the capacitors in series and in parallel. Electric field due to a point charge. Electric field lines, electric dipole. Electric field due to a dipole. Torque on a dipole in a uniform electric field. Electric flux. Statement of the Gauss theorem and its application to find field due to the infinitely long straight wire. Uniformly charged inflight plane sheet and uniformly charged thin spherical cell. Field inside and outside. Electric potential difference, electric potential due to a point charge and a dipole and system of the charges. Equipotential surfaces, electrical potential energy of a system of the 2-point charges and of the electric dipoles in an electrostatic field. Conductors and insulator, free charges and bound charger inside a conductor. Dielectrics and the electric polarization, capacitors and the capacitor. Combination of the capacitor in series and in parallel. Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with and without a dielectric medium between the plates. Energy stored in a capacitor, 1D graphs generator. Unit second, current electricity. Electric current, flow of electric charges in a metallic conductor. Drift, velocity and mobility and their relation with the electric current. Ohm's law, electric resistance, VI characteristic, electrical energy and the power, electrical resistivity and conductivity. Carbon resistors, color code for the carbon resistor, series and parallel combination of resistors, temperature dependence of resistance, internal resistance of a cell, potential difference and EMF of a cell, combination of cells in series and in parallel, Kirchhoff's law and the simple application, Wheatstone bridge, meter bridge, potentiometer principle and application to measure the potential differences and for comparing EMF of the two cells, measurement of the internal resistance of a cell. Unit third, magnetic effect of current and magnetism. Concept of the magnetic field, Oersted experiment, Biot-Savart law and its application to the current carrying circular loop. Ampere's law and its application to the infinitely long straight wire, straight and the toroidal solenoids. Force on a moving charge in uniform magnetic and electric field. Cyclotrons. Force on a current carrying conductor in a uniform magnetic field. Force between the two parallel current carrying conductor, definition of the ampere, torque experienced by a current loop in a magnetic field. Moving coil galvanometer, its current sensitivity and conversion to the ammeter and the voltmeter. Current loop as a magnetic dipole and its magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. Magnetic field intensity due to the magnetic dipole bar magnet along its axis and perpendicular to its axis. Torque on a magnetic dipole bar magnet in a uniform magnetic field. Bar magnet as an equivalent solenoid. Magnetic field line, Earth's magnetic field and the magnetic elements. Para, di and ferromagnetic substances with examples. Electromagnetic and factors affecting their stance, permanent magnets. Unit 4, electromagnetic induction and the alternating currents. Electromagnetic induction, Faraday's law, induced EMF and current, Lenz's law, eddy currents, self and the mutual inductance. Alternating currents, peak and the RMS value for the alternating currents. Voltage, reactance and the impedance. LC oscillation, qualitative treatment only, LCR series circuit, resonance, power in the AC circuit, wattless current, AC generator and the transformers. Electromagnetic waves, need for the displacement current, electromagnetic waves and their characteristics, qualitative ideas only. Transverse nature of the electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic spectrum, radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray, gamma ray, including intramentary facts about their usage. Unit 6, optics. Reflection of the light, Spherical mirrors, mirror formula, refraction of the light, total internal reflection and its application, optical fibers, refraction at the spherical surface, lenses, thin lenses formula, lens makers formula, magnification, power of a lens, combination of thin lenses in the contact combination of a lens and a mirror, refraction and dispersion of the light through a prism, scattering of the light blue color of the sky and reddish appearance of the sun at the sunrise and the sunset. Optical instruments, human eye, image formation and the accommodation, correction of the eye defects, myopia and the hypermetropia using the lenses, microscopes and the astronomical telescope, reflecting and refracting and their magnifying powers, wave optics, wave front and the Huygens principle, reflection and the refraction of the plane wave at a plane surface using the wave fronts, proof of the laws of the reflection and the refraction using the Huygens principle, interference, Young's double hole experiment and expression for the fringe width, coherent sources and sustained interference of the light, diffraction due to a single slit, width and the central maximum, resolving power of the microscope and the astronomical telescope, polarization, plane polarized light, Brewster law, use of the plane polarized light and the polarites. Unit 7, dual nature of the matter and the radiation, photoelectric effect, Hertz and Lennard observation, Einstein photoelectric equation, particle nature of the light, matter waves, wave nature of the particle, de Broglie relation, deviation Germer experiment. Experimental details should be omitted. Only the conclusion should be explained. Unit 8, atoms and nuclei, alpha particle scattering experiment, Rutherford's model of the atom, Bohr's model, energy level, hydrogen spectrum, composition and size of the nucleus, atomic masses, isotopes, isobars and the isotones. Radioactivity, alpha, beta, gamma particle, rays and their property decay law, mass energy relation, mass effect, binding energy per nucleon and its variation with the mass number, nuclear mission and the fission. Electric devices, energy band in solid, qualitative ideas only, conductor, insulator and the semiconductor, semiconductor diode, IV characteristics in the forward and reverse bias, diode as a rectifier, IV characteristic of the lead, photodiode, solar cell and the Zener diode as a voltage regulator, junction transistor, transistor action, characteristics of a transistor, transistor as an amplifier, common emitter and oscillator, logic gates or and not, NAND and NOR gates, transistor as a switch. These are the electric devices have to be studied there in the case of the physics. Hence the 9 units are related to the physics, atom and nuclei, dual nature of the matter and radiation, optics, electromagnetic waves, electromagnetic induction and the alternating currents, magnetic effects of the current and magnetic current, electricity, electrostatics, oscillation and the waves, behavior of the perfect gases and the kinetic energy, thermodynamics, properties of the bulk matter, gravitation, motion of system of particles and the rigid body, work energy and power, laws of the motion, kinematics, physical world and the measurement. This is the syllabus of the physics of the NEET.